Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shweta Karlapudi, obstetrician and gynecologist practicing at Sanjeevani Hospital, Hadapsar, Pune. So the most frequently asked question by almost all my pregnant patients during pregnancy is, can we get COVID-19 vaccination during pregnancy? So according to the recent guidelines we got from Ministry of Health, Family Welfare, Government of India, I am going to discuss some important points regarding this COVID-19 vaccination. That is, can a pregnant lady get vaccinated? Why should a pregnant woman be vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccine? Are there any side effects of this vaccine, harmful side effects on her or her growing baby? And what are the common side effects that happen after vaccination? So come friends, let us not waste the time. Let us go and discuss in detail regarding the COVID-19 vaccination during pregnancy. Why should a pregnant woman get COVID-19 vaccine? As we all know, if a woman who is pregnant gets COVID-19 infection, she will get a mild disease or an asymptomatic disease. But because pregnancy is an immunocompromised state, in some individuals, the disease might turn into a serious one and the health condition of the mother as well as her growing baby may deteriorate. And also, there are certain group of pregnant ladies in whom the chances of getting infection is more, like those pregnant women who are themselves healthcare workers and those pregnant ladies who are frontline workers like police or those women in whom the family members are health workers or frontline workers or who get exposed to those people who roam outside, and those ladies who live in such a community where there is increasing rate of COVID-19 infection. And there are also certain set of pregnant women, if in case they get COVID-19 infection, they might have serious complications of this disease, like who are more than 35 years of age and got pregnant and who are obese, and those pregnancies having complications like diabetes, hypertension and cardiovascular diseases, and those patients who are having blood clotting problems in the previous pregnancy or had a history of blood clotting tendencies. So that is the reason why, because this is a vulnerable group and the chances of infection is more, and if get infected also, the chances of getting it the health condition getting deteriorated is also more in pregnant ladies. That is the reason why usually at present we are recommending all the pregnant ladies to get COVID-19 vaccine. And there are some things you should know before getting vaccinated. That is, are there any side effects, or can this vaccine harm me or my growing fetus? So as any other medicine or vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine has also got some minor side effects. Like post-vaccination, immediately this pregnant woman can experience mild fever, pain at the injection site, or will have mild illness and weakness for 1 to 3 days. This is common, and you can take normal antipyretic or analgesic medication, painkillers like paracetamol for this, which is safe during pregnancy. But the long-term side effects or the effects of this vaccine on the fetus is still not yet been clearly established. But the studies till now had shown that this vaccine will not have any harmful effects on the pregnant lady or her growing baby. But there are certain conditions, certain situations, if they occur at least 20 days post vaccination, you should get immediate attention from the healthcare worker. So these are the conditions, like some women might experience persistent headache post vaccination within 20 days post vaccination without any obvious reason, having persistent vomitings and persistently having severe abdominal pain, chest pain, and also some people are experiencing, very rarely, 1 in 1 or 1 in 5 lakh people post vaccination can get weakness or paralysis of one side of the body, and having petechial hemorrhages, small pinpoint hemorrhages on the body other than the infection site after vaccination, and severe illness like high grade temperature lasting for more than 3 to 4 days. So these are the things which you should not neglect. If you get post vaccination, you should go to your healthcare provider and get appropriate treatment to it. And there is another question, because this coronavirus 19 is a pandemic, already most of the pregnant ladies during pregnancy are being affected. So if a woman during pregnancy, if she is already infected with coronavirus disease, can she get vaccinated or not? Yes, she can get vaccinated because she is already infected or she got affected with COVID-19 disease during this pregnancy. Immediately post delivery, she can get COVID-19 vaccine. And another thing they ask, once getting this vaccination, post vaccination, can we take the other vaccinations as well? Yes, the other important vaccines that we give, like tetanus vaccine and the other vaccines that we recommend, like influenza, flu shots, so these are all recommended during pregnancy. Taking this vaccine will not change the schedule of those vaccines. You can continue them as usual. And the other medicines that the doctor prescribes you, like iron calcium medication and the other supplements or any other thyroid medicine or medicine for blood pressure, diabetes you are taking during pregnancy, please do not hold them, continue them as usual. And then finally, if the woman got delivered and during breastfeeding, this vaccine is safe. And for those women who are planning pregnancy also, taking this COVID-19 vaccine is safe during planning pregnancy, during pregnancy and during breastfeeding also. So friends, if any doubts you have, you can please mention in the comments box. We hope this video is useful to you, and please get vaccinated, and I wish you all a happy and healthy pregnancy. Thank you so much. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and share this knowledge with your friends, because this is very helpful to them.